Alright, I'm going to do a real-time K9-306 cable fix here. Today I snapped the chain, plus now the cable's got a little kink in it. It got kind of stuck. Came out, didn't break it, but I'll fix it before it totally snaps. The stuff you need. This is the solder I use. Comes like that. This is the flux that I use. And this is the gas that I use. And a grinder. This is just how I do it. Don't mind my mess. But anyway, here it goes. It's a thicker cable, so it's probably going to use a lot more solder than the other ones. I've only done this one once, so. Close now. flux gets through there, the solder gets all the way through. Once it cools all the way, then you can cut it. But so I probably just used about that much, probably 6 inches or so of solder. For like the 204 cable, I usually use like half that, and for the 102 cable, I use about half that. So this is a much bigger cable. And sometimes when I'm waiting for it to cool, I'll just kind of clean up something like this. This gets kind of mushroomed out from just getting super hot. Usually takes a minute or two to cool. Yeah, these chains are really nice, but I got snagged on something today and it snapped one of them, which is too bad because this is only like, it's not even old. But I hit something tough anyway. It's probably all right to cut. You want to cut it, I usually try to cut in the middle, but you definitely want to cut after where you soldered. And always look to make sure I got good penetration. If it'll focus. I don't want to touch it because it's probably a million degrees. But anyway, it looks okay. But that's all you do. And then you just, trim back with sheathing to where you want it. And this one actually looks pretty good, but usually I have a lot of like extra solder I gotta grind off, but this one looks pretty good. That's all you do for repairing the 306.